I don't know when you might be watching this, but I'm filming it about a week or so into January, when a lot of folks have already given up on their New Year's resolutions. And no shame or blame, it's a very human thing to do. The problem is if we then say, all right, didn't work this year, I'll wait till next January 1st, and next year will be my year. Why not today? Why not decide that whatever beneficial things you want to do can start right now? There's an old saying that the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time to plant a tree is right now. So let's clear the resistance to starting right now. Taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to start right now. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to start right now. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to start right now. There are good habits I would like to start. There are life-enhancing projects I'd like to begin. And I've been putting them off. Waiting for the right moment. I'm open to the possibility that this is that moment. I choose to start right now. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved in these thoughts. Because I choose to feel that free. I choose to start right now. I've been waiting for a particular moment. I'm deciding that this is that moment. There are things that I want, and things I need to do to get what I want. And I've been waiting for the right moment. Some particular day. Maybe today's the day. And who other than me gets to decide that? I'm putting this into my own hands. I'm deciding that today's the day. And I'm clearing all the resistance. There might be part of me saying, not yet. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready for the changes yet. And maybe what I want to take on means letting some things go. Just letting the plane go. Letting it go. And part of me might say, I'm not ready to let that go. Just a few more days. Which might turn into weeks. But I'm going to start one of these days. As the old saying goes, one of these days is none of these days. What can be done at any time is generally done at no time. And it's not that I'm bad or stupid. It's not that I am weak or lazy. I just have a lot of old programming that's in my way. And a lot of practice at doing what I've been doing. And part of my programming says, change is hard. And I'm not quite ready for that yet. But what makes it hard? Mostly my beliefs. Sometimes entirely my beliefs. And I can make changes there. With these new things that I want to start, I'm allowing myself to start now. Today's the day, and I'm releasing the resistance. Why not start today? Why not start today? And whatever answers might be coming up, I'm allowing myself to clear those out. Many of them are based on misunderstandings. So I'm clearing up the confusion. And I'm allowing myself to know it's okay to get started. Maybe I'm afraid that I'll fail. Why start if I'm not guaranteed that I'll stick to it? Well, if that was a truth, we could never start anything. Clearing this fear that I won't stick to it. I can never stick to it if I don't get started. I'm releasing the resistance. Clearing all the reasons why not. I'm deciding that today's the day. And there may be some things I can't start today. So today's the day I decide which day. If there's something that I can't actually start today, I'm putting it on my calendar. Today's the day I'm deciding to change. Not because there's something wrong with who I am right now, but because I know that better is possible. And I'm a magnificent child of the universe. Worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer. There's nothing that's too good for me. So what the heck am I waiting for? I'm clearing this resistance. Setting myself free to move powerfully forward. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And isn't today an awesome day to step forward into an even better experience of life? Yeah, I think so. And if other stuff gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.